Dis na the return of Chidinma, my people. I no know whether na dis one come be the rainy star again. Say another babe don send the bobo RIP as we dey talk now, my correct people. But before I go dey tell na wetin dey sup for here, make I throway salute for all of una. Hello, my correct people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click the notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this one just dey shocktalize everybody. The thing come dey meet everybody. My people, no be small thing o. After wetin Chidinma don do, I think 2 months ago na the matter happen now. Dat one sef never comot for ground. Another one, whether na Chidinma bestie abi na im twin sister, don send im bobo RIP. My correct pipo, dis na the news when e come dey meet us. So be say dis lady wey una dey see so, say im with dis bobo when e be say e don send am RIP, say dem dey very close. And according to the news, say the guy dey treat the lady, dey treat am well. E even get am for mind say e wan marry am. Yes, my people, this particular man wey come be say this babe come send am RIP, so dem talk say na importer na im be, na correct ogbonge businessman na im be, and na the only son of im parents. My people, make una see how people get mind reach o. So wetin really happen that day we no really know. According to the people wey be business associate wey dey work with am, dem talk say the thing wey e dey import come land, so dem need to call am make e come claim am. So dem talk say as dem call am, the guy sef e no dey pick the call. E no dey answer. Dem no see e break light. So the thing come dey make dem dey wonder, in the sense that e no dey do like this before. So dem come need to look for am. Dem come find am go e house where im dey stay. My people, lo and behold, when dem reach there, dem see say this babe, e don design am finish. E don even make am RIP. As if that is not enough, this particular babe wey una dey see so, dem talk say papa say na all akpa na im papa be. This whole matter happen for Akwa Ibom, Uyo State. Dem say na this whole matter for happen o. As the babe come send this guy RIP finish, e come carry the guy money, in the sense that the guy be like say dey keep money for house, and no be small money o. Dem say na 7 million. The babe come carry the money. E come carry all the other necessary valuable documents when her hand go meet, because the guy still get Benz, that is car wey be Benz new one, when he park for outside. The lady come kele with all of them, carry the Benz, carry the money, take all the documents when she go fit take. My people, as hand wan come meet am, she no know say that Benz when she carry, say e no know say e get tracker when the man fit put. My correct people, this e associate when e dey work follow this guy, so when they call Chukwuemeka, so when dem find am come house, as dem come see wetin happen, na that tracker when dem fix for inside that car, na dem come take find out all this story and all this news when e dey come out. So my correct people, as dem come see say the car sef e no dey for outside, and dem know say the car get tracker, na that tracker na dem take track the car. Dem come go see the car, say dem park am for one front of one hotel. My people, meanwhile this thing happen on Sunday. Na after 3 days na dem come take discover say this guy don be RIP. This lady, as e take this car finish, as e kolobi the car join, my people, sharp she come go do driving license put. Hey, my people, make una see and say all these things, e be like say na plan work. As dem come find am reach hotel, dem come see the car when dem park am. Na there dem look for who park am. Dem come see say the babe sef don dey chill out for that hotel. She don even dey enjoy herself. My people, na from there all akpa and people wey follow dem, dem come gbab am. Dem come carry am go where dem dey put people wey be say dem do things when e be like this. My correct people, make una see this light. Sometimes you know say this particular man wey be say this girl say na RIP, now this one sef no be say na sugar daddy still be now. Una know say in the case of Chidinma, na sugar daddy. People dey talk say all these people sef, all these men wey be say they no wan put their gbola for one place, for one corner, na im make this kind thing come happen. So this one now when e happen, so my people, no be say this one say na sugar daddy o. This one sef dem even talk say no be say e wan even use the babe play throway am. Even dey plan am say e wan marry am. Anything when she want, e dey give am. So my people, now come tell me wetin come make this girl come do this kind thing, if not be say na open eye. My people, there is a make parable say if eye too open, dirty go fall enter inside. So na it be this babe, oh, So the whole matter now, they see the investigator, we never see know the reason wetin make am she do this kind thing. But many people dey talk say na out of say she too open eye, na greediness na dey worry am. So na so most of all these people take dey do all these things. Why many people dey blame Chidinma, dey talk say the time when Chidinma own happen, dem no take iron hand hold am. That is, the government sef come be like say dem don take indirectly. They even dey celebrate the Chidinma. The way wey dem go take carry Chidinma come dey interview am, dey do am, e no even be like person wey do that kind thing wey be say e kpai person. E go be like say dem dey pet am, dem dey pamper am. So with that one, I go dey give impression to other ladies when e be like Chidinma for there, say nothing dey happen, as far as say dem get people when e back dem up. For this particular lady, oh my correct people, we never know whether na only she one na get hand for this thing, or whether she get people sef when e be say dem back am up. We never know. Dem still dey dig into the matter. If more details still come, I go still let una know, my correct people. So my people, na so we see am o. Make una see how human being be. This na man wey be say if e be say na him be the breadwinner, as e be say na him be the only son wey parents get now, maybe na dem dey look up to. If e be say e get even younger siblings, if e be say other things still dey when e follow, you come tell me say wetin this babe dey look for. My people get mind sha. Anyway sha, this one na the second Chidinma when he return again. I make me I call and say the return of Chidinma na be this one. They get things in common, and plenty ones they still dey outside for there. When e be say we no know. If to say this one now not be say na through this tracker therefore not catch this babe like now that tracker na make them take cash am. And if to say she herself no say something like that, then fix am for inside that car, she for no carry am. So if to say dem no cash am now, before you know it now, all these kind people now, tomorrow you'll see am for Instagram now. So you go dey flaunt saying just new buy this car, and you go dey do different things. You do people tontonri. People go dey say, God, when my own will reach, God will pick my call, cut so for me. They not go know how she take start am. So my correct people, make we dey careful people when we dey look as our role model, because most of all these people, if una dig into their matter, most of them they no just clean like that. So my people, make una sef still pray for the person when he be say RIP, may God put am for better place. Wetin e no plan for, the life when be say no plan for now. So this girl can't finish everything for am. My correct people, I go leave una for here. I go see you now for my next video when I go to take from now. I beg, if you be say today na your first time when you come across my channel and you never subscribe and you like my video, I beg, make you not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so that anytime when I throw away gist like this, you don't go feel they miss am. And now when be my returning subscribers and my viewers, God will bless you for me. I appreciate you so much. I go see you very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.